everybody, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to whippersnip and rake the apiary, clean it up a bit, and I'll show you the end result.
Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through, as long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
The reason why it's important to keep your apiary cleaned up, or at least the grass around from directly around your hives, is it's just easy access for ants and other critters to get inside. So that's the reason why I keep it pretty shortly trimmed in here. Anywhere else they can go and find dandelions and weeds and stuff, but they're not really finding any resources from directly in the apiary anyway. I will occasionally see them on my flowers and whatnot in here, but they travel to find an abundance of resources. So it's just important because you're making little bridges really by leaving the grass for all those ants and other critters and insects to get in there.
Myself, take me to a better place where love's something else. Though it's wrong, running high. Am I the only one left now? You, aren't you tired of always being around?
So I finished all of that, cleaning up all the grass and leaves and whippersnippering. But I also just wanted to say that we're doing our mite treatment now, so that's why I'm not actually beekeeping for the next 2 weeks. But you can actually see the mites on the entrance to the hives, like dead mites. We didn't do a mite count at all, and the reason why I didn't, like normally we do, but the reason I didn't is because my hive that died over the winter died of mites. My dopey hive is a split of that hive that died, and actually I have 2 that are a split of that. So knowing that there are mites and that they weren't treated as well in the fall, so I knew I needed to treat for mites anyways, and knowing you have to do all of the hives in your apiary, we just did them. But I'm glad we did, because I'm going to show you what it looks like with all those dead bees and dead mites. It's pretty sad, but they obviously were pretty infested with mites, varroa mites, so I'll show you that and see if we can get a good close-up of that.
you.